Welcome back all the fans and followers of space fiction. I've just returned from my trip around the galaxy and I see that the theory of dark matter among scientists on Earth is still alive. That's weird. There are many things and facts that I do not like about the theory of dark matter, and that is why I think this theory leads to a dead end. The same as the theory of an ether that was well known to the entire scientific community in the past. And don't get confused with ether as an organic compound and ether as a material that fills the whole universe. So sit back and let's talk a little bit about this historical mistake. The word ether originated in ancient Greece and means upper sky or pure upper air that the gods breathe. From the Middle Ages until the beginning of the 20th century, this concept was very widespread among all scientists. It explained many different unexplained physical phenomena. In principle, it was a fictional fifth element filling the empty space between the atoms of an existing matter. Scientists could not imagine the propagation of light or even gravity without any portable medium between celestial objects. This theory was supported, for example, by Isaac Newton in the early 18th century. In order for light to travel through a vacuum, there must have been a medium filling the void through which it could propagate, as sound through air or ripples in a pool. And the ether supposed to be completely motionless. They also used this fictitious element in defining the theory of gravitation. At the turn of the 17th and 18th centuries, several scientists such as Jacob Bernoulli and others formulated theories that the ether causes gravitational phenomena in the universe through vortices, streams, static pressure, waves or pulsation. Today, however, we know very well that these theories were wrong. In the past, they didn't know relativistic and quantum physics, which we know today and which explain these phenomena to us quite precisely. But even after the publication of the new general theory of relativity by Albert Einstein, a large number of scientists were still willing to support the theory of the ether. Progressive scientists had to fight for many more years to make the entire scientific community forget about ether theory. Fortunately, new ideas and new more rational theories have finally taken hold and human knowledge has taken a big leap forward. The scientists have understood that with the classical view of static matter, space and time we will not get far. So the ether theory was just one big mistake. But as we penetrated deeper into space in the 20th century with the new, more powerful devices, new unresolved questions began to emerge that scientists needed to answer. And for some incomprehensible reason, they turned again to the idea of new fictional matter. This time, however, they called it dark matter and not an ether. Very surprising. And again, by its influence, they began to explain the observed physical phenomena outside our solar system and outside our own galaxy. And despite the fact that dark matter theory claims to represent 85% of the mass of the entire universe, nowhere on Earth, near it, or in our solar system, it has not yet been directly detected optically, electronically or by its gravitation. Where have I heard it before? So it's time to ask ourselves whether this theory really leads us in the right direction. Whether we are not just dealing with a new fictional ether, to which we attribute various new properties that we actually need to explain with a new theory. During my trips around the galaxy, I did not encounter any dark matter. And that is why in several of my subsequent videos I want to review the evidence supporting the theory of the ether. The theory of dark matter. Thank you for watching, and the next time I fly by the Earth, I will send you another new video from the world of space fiction.